little jingle. Some stains, you know, are easier to get out than others. When it comes to the tough stuff, like red stains, wine, Kool-Aid, blood, that's really tricky. That's when we really need to bring in the big guns, and we've got the queen of clean here, Linda Cobb, to show us the solutions.
So I'm the big gun?
Yes,
I like that.
You're the boss lady around here.
I like that. You know, red stains are really hard to get out. So I want to start down here with things that, if you got kids, you've seen red stains all over. So if you've got red pop, you have Kool-Aid, you have any of the energy drinks or anything that have red in them, the best way to get them out initially is to pour club soda on, and you can't put on too much. What happens is the carbonation will bubble it up and the salts will keep it from staining. It works pretty well if you get it on there right away. Now, if you don't get it on there right away, moisten the fabric, put a little baking soda on the spot, and then you're going to pour on a little white vinegar. Now, that's going to make that little white tornado. Let it sit for about 30 minutes or so, and then launder as usual. Now, remember, with any stain, we never put it in the dryer until we know the stain is gone.
Okay.
So now, one of my favorite stains, and I know a lot about this, is marinara, because I don't think I've ever eaten spaghetti and not had some land on it.
Yep.
So salsa, marinara sauce, anything like that. First of all, Fells Naphtha bar soap, and you know that's in the laundry aisle, and very inexpensive. It is a great stain remover. Wet the fabric, rub the Fells Naphtha in, let it soak a few minutes, launder as usual. One of my favorite laundry spotters is Zout. You like that too, don't you? It gets out so many stains, and any grocery store, any store has it. It's great.
Queen, I used to work at the Olive Garden, and I'd come home with the marinara all over.
Over you?
Yes, and then my best friend would help me with the Zout.
Oh my gosh,
It was
that's
a
right.
lifesaver.
Well, what a good recommendation that is for Zout. And now there's stain devils too, which I talk about a lot. And they're little individual bottles. There's about 10 of them, and they're for all different stains. And they have one that's for sauce. It works really, really well. If you have kids, get the entire set of 10. Trust me on this. Now you can also work in your laundry detergent. It'll work really well. Now let's talk about berry stains.
Okay.
Now this is for any berries. What I would tell you to do if you have a stain for berries is I always tell you to pull it over a bowl and make it taut. So here's my bowl. There's my fabric with the stain on it and my rubber band around it to hold it taut. Any stain removal you're going to do will work better if you're working on a taut surface. So of course, Stain Devils has a berry remover, works great, but lemon juice will work really well too. You're going to squeeze it on, let it sit for a few minutes. You can even tamp on it with your finger, and then flush it with cool water. You can also put on some borax and then pour boiling water through that. Make sure you do it in the sink. But pour boiling water through it, and it should take it completely out.
Wow.
Now, blood. I actually had something with blood on it. I bled for the show yesterday.
That's dedication.
And I don't really know what I did with that afterwards. So
I hope it's not staining something in the Queen's
I
Royal
hope
home.
so too. So for blood, very simple. First of all, hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the proteins in blood and take it out beautifully if you just pour it through. Of course, Stain Devils makes one for blood. Or Zote soap works really well. But if you just pick your finger and have a little tiny bit of blood, if you'll spit on that blood, the saliva will break down the enzymes in the blood and take it right out.
Wow.
Now, all you moms, you can't spit on your kid's blood and take it out. It has to be your own blood and your own saliva.
Okay.
Hey, I'm a mom. I've taken my own spit and wiped off my kid's face, trust me. So now, and let's just quickly touch on red wine. If it's on clothes or anything and it's a fresh spill, pour salt in it right away. I've done that at the dinner table a million times. It goes away right away. Vodka will take it out. Now, I've told you to use white wine on red wine, but vodka, even faster. Pour it on, it'll take it out. Or a little hydrogen peroxide mixed up with some Dawn detergent will get it all out.
Get the book, follow her advice. Your house will be clean. You'll be living like a queen. Queen, thank you so much. We're on Facebook Live right now too, right?
We are. We're on Facebook Live, so we'll be talking to you right there, right now. Get your questions in.
Here come the questions. Let's head on over to Gina.